The key is to style one look into multiple ways. What triggered this video is I had a comment under my Instagram asking me when to get rid of an item in your closet. My answer is never. You never have to get rid of an item out of your closet if it's good quality, if it still speaks to who you are. When people are looking at you, when you want to express who you are, and your clothing is a way of expressing who you are. That's called styling, personal styling. When you walk into the room, does that piece still speak to who you are, who you represent? If not, then it's time to let it go. If it's not good quality, and it could have been at one point, if it is not good quality, say it is fast fashion, you wash a couple times and it is faded, it is coming apart and you are not able to sew it back together, your mom is not able to sew it back together, you're not able to take it to a seamstress and sew it back together, so that is unparable. It's time to let it go. Why do we still have it in our closet? If it is still quality and we are able to get it seamed back up, get it altered, get it repaired, then let's keep it in our closet if it still speaks to us. So the key is to have items that we can wear multiple times. How can we style an item? We have one item or one look and we keep wearing that one look over and over again. Yes, I will wear a look over. I am a repeat outfitter. I will repeat an outfit, absolutely. But the key is to take that one look and wear it into multiple ways, and now you have multiple looks. So I'm gonna give you an example. This right here is a set. It's a blazer and a skirt. This is tweed. It's one of my faves. I've had it for years, and it is actually pretty darn good quality. See that? It's pretty thick. I'm sorry, got some work going on in the background. Pretty thick quality. Now, we're going to wear this multiple different ways. We can wear this together as the set that it came. Throw in some shoes up here. Boom, it's a look. We can also throw on a dress and just wear the blazer over top of it. Throw on some nice feathery heels up here, or throw on some red bottoms and you got a boss look. Easy. Easy look. Another thing we can do, we want to make it corporate. Throw on some trousers, put the blazer over it. We can wear some boots with that. Wear the red bottoms. We also got to wear some pumps. Easy look. Make it casual, business casual. Here we go. We got some jeans and the blazer. It's another look. Now, let's take the bottoms. Let's take the bottoms. We got the skirt. We got the skirt. Let's go ahead and take a nice white, this is a silky button up, tuck it in, put some nice boots with it, put some pumps with it. It's another look. We got another look, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, we're going out a little bit. Let's go out. Oh, let's add a little faux fur to the bottoms. Baby, that's a look. That's a look. So here we are with another look. Here we go. We can tuck in a turtleneck with it. Throw some boots. Throw some cowgirl boots. See that with the cowgirl hat, baby? That's a look. Real cute look. And here we have one I missed over here. We can take another dress, throw it over top, or throw it over the shoulders if we're a little chilly. And we have multiple looks. The key is to have items that you can pair multiple looks. We don't want to just wear things one time. We don't. Now, yes, fast fashion. We can purchase fast fashion if you just want to have a quick look. We're going on vacation. We're never going to wear that again. Sure. Or I'm just going out for a certain event and we're never going to wear it again. But if we want quality items, we want items that are this good tweed here. Has a good inseam inside of it. It is, I've had this for years. I've washed it and it's still intact. Actually pretty darn good quality. If we have an item like that that is still fitting to you, this still speaks to me. I love tweed. I love a whole tweed look. So it still speaks to me, but I don't always want to wear the pair together. So can definitely break it up. with just wearing a blazer and dressing it down with some jeans, or dressing a business casual with some trousers, or just having the skirt and dressing that with some cowgirl boots. Everybody knows the cowgirl era is here, with a cute cowgirl hat and dress that up. Or wear a little faux fur if we're going to go out for the night and it's a little chilly, a little faux fur, or if we're going to do a little brunch. However you want to dress it, make sure that you have items that you can dress up and dress down and you can continue to keep. That is a part of having items, good quality items in your closet. Having signature items. I love a tweed. That's for me. And for my tweed girls out there, keep your tweed. Tweed does not go out of style. Now, there may be parts of your time, like, I haven't even worn this in a while, and I've had it for years, but I haven't worn it in a while. But I'm not going to get rid of it because I know it doesn't go out of style. I just haven't worn it because there was a point in time where I was wearing it a lot. I have those moments where I'll continue to wear some, and then I'm like, okay, putting it back in the closet for a little bit, let it sit there, let it simmer, and then I can bring it back out, and I can wear it multiple different ways. That is the key. That's the key, and we can do that with different things. Like even for these little comfy pants. This is a set that I have. I have this matching set on the top to go with this. See how I dressed it down with just like a tank, black jean jacket, and yesterday I actually had the top on with some jeans. Mix and match your sets. Mix and match your items that you have in your closet. That could be anything. Just like you wear a pair of jeans and you could wear multiple different tops with it. Do that with all of your items and see. And if you don't know how to do that, that's why I'm here. I'm your style coach, LaToya Polk Robinson. This is Closet Fight. Keep following me for more tips and tricks. See you next time.